Shubha Shonda. You were right there, Chef Shaha's house, Chef Shaha's kitchen. Uh, Thanks to Amul for wearing my chef coat after 2 long months. I was missing it. Thanks to Dr. Bose, Ma'am Bose, and the entire IHM family for letting me in, display our different types of cuisine and food. Okay, I was always attracted towards not so normal kind of ingredients to use while cooking. Always I was passionate about taking things out of the things and make something different. So today I am trying banana stem pulao. Okay, banana stem pulao. The thing is, we are in Corona days. Hope everybody is safe and sound. See, the banana, you never know what kind of situation is going to be in. There should be scarcity of vegetables. There should be scarcity of things. So my try is to use different things to make it a good cooking out of that. Very minimum ingredients, but amazing cooking. Okay, join us. First and foremost, we'll talk about banana stem. Banana stem, this is the stem right inside the banana plant. Okay, so we have picked up this. Now this is in nature. I'll talk about it while working on this. First we need to clean this. Okay, first remove the sides like this. Now trim up the excess part. You can see this is your exactly the banana stem is a cylinder inside the banana plant. For your information, banana is a herb. Banana is a herb. I repeat this, banana is a herb, and it is the tallest herb available in the planet. Okay, so what you do is you cut them into small squares so that it can cook easily. Okay, like this. I'll show you once the all the cutting is done. Now talking about banana stem, you see it is very rich in iron, which helps the prevention of anemia. If you are anemic, you are prone to get into the diseases very fast. So because of this non-anemic condition, it helps in that can prevent you out of corona. Okay, so that is the purpose for me to cook this vegetable today. Okay. So almost we are through. Now place them in a cooker. Okay, add enough water. First let me lit my range. Okay, add sufficient amount of salt. Even if it is little excess, doesn't matter, because the salt will penetrate through the banana stem and make it taste very good. Now second thing we'll add is a turmeric. Okay, it is very sultry, hot and humid here in Kolkata. Okay, now I talk about this time we are on the process of finding that hand is the most sanitized organ for the human being to use in this corona days, because once hand is sanitized, it is out of any danger. So we don't we have the campaign from our chairman and Dr. Bose that eat hand, go back to the old days. Okay, so but your hand should be sanitized, which I sanitized while cooking. Okay, now this is a show for Amul. Okay, we will be using some of the Amul products in the cooking process. In the meantime, I just cover this. Oh my God. In the meantime, okay, we will be using some Amul products, Amul ghee, okay, Amul butter for you, Amul cream, bit of Amul buttermilk, which I will be using during the cooking. So this is what it is. Here I am today with for you to do the show. Okay, now first phase of the work is done. I should be saying this. Now in the meantime, before the show, I soaked this much rice. Okay, washed and soaked this much rice. Okay, for my cooking purpose, this is a Govindbhog rice which is available here in and around Kolkata. Okay, Bankura, Bardhaman, these are the districts which produces this rice very much. It has got a lovely flavor by itself. And this is a raw rice. So if anybody doesn't get this rice, doesn't matter, you can use basmati. In fact, other than that, you can use any of the raw rice produced in and around you. Okay, no issue with that. So it is washed and kept. Now we will go to the my next part of mise en place. One of my friends who does a farming presented me this one for this Amul show. Okay, to use. So from his farm, this thing onion, I am using this. These are the nice bit of shallots. I will be using them for flavors. Okay. First, now these onions has got lovely flavor in it, very sharp flavor in it. So in the meantime, I think 2 cities are good to go. So one is already done. So another will do it in low flame, so the banana stem is nicely cooked. Okay, by the time we will finish our mise en place. Okay. I always prefer cleaning the place before doing the job, so this goes in the dustbin. Okay, so now we'll chop them off. To me, let me tell you very frankly, today I am feeling very good about things, that wearing my chef coat after 2 months. Okay, I just realized this, and thanks Amul for the entire thing. my misa is mostly done. I need 2 tomatoes, nice red tomatoes I want to put. Okay. Just cut them into cubes. Nice bit of color will give you a nice appearance to my dish. Okay, just to add with this, I would like to mention one thing. Yeah, my banana stem is done, so I'll just keep them aside to cool down. In the meantime, we'll start with my curry. Masala. Okay, for this, first and foremost, I add Amul ghee. I'm cooking rice, so obviously cooking rice you need a generous amount of ghee. Okay, you can reduce, no issue, but okay, I can compromise with putting little extra butter or ghee to make the dish perfect. Okay, what I was talking about, by the time the oil heats up, I was talking about as a IIHM, we support sustainability. Okay, we use vegetables which are freezer, okay, but not much in use. We promote these vegetables. That is what it attracts me. Okay, so my oil is hot. First and foremost, we put jeera, crackle jeera. Garam masala, very little faint flavor is required, bit of bay leaf. Okay, crackle them, cook them nicely, make it nice brown. Add whole red chili. Okay, now you can reduce the flame, cook them till this crisp. All the oil from the masala comes out. Now we add your onion. Saute the onions nicely. Okay, I'm cooking it in low flame, so we have some time to release your banana stem.
Okay. Can you tell the viewers what you are making again?
Banana stem pulao. Okay, is banana stem ghanto. In Bengali, anything you cook with rice, it's called ghanto. Okay. Now, my banana stem is nicely blanched. My onion is, you can say, softened it a bit. Now I'll put it's time for us to put the banana stem.
So we strain the mixture out. And put it right in.
Now I add them. Wait, my onion is not ready yet. I prefer to cook everything in perfect, and perfection is the key of making a dish perfect. Okay. I repeat this. Today is very hot. Summer in Kolkata is very hot and humid. I am sweating. So bear with me. It's all part of the life. But yeah, I always know the first word is told to me is in the kitchen. Milk is boiled faster than the emotions. So no issue. Now we are used to these hot conditions and things like that. Now I'll add my banana stem. Okay. In this stage, I'll add some salt. I said we are very safe with our own hands, so I don't mind using my own hand to judging the salt. You know, it helps. Usually, I know exactly how much to put. Okay, that is what it is. I feel very comfortable using my hand, putting the spices and things like that. Okay. Now it's sorted a bit and it is soft. My next addition is bit of ginger paste. I made some ginger paste. Okay. So I'll add bit of ginger paste. Right. You can see it's already nice smell is coming in. Okay. In this stage, I'll add a little bit of jeera powder. Usually other spices like dhania and all these doesn't go well in this kind of cooking, so I better avoid them. Okay, one can put here. Remember, you can put your chilies as per the taste of you, the spiciness you like. Okay, now it is done. Now it's time for me to add the soaked Gobindabhog rice, which I washed and strained and soaked it for half an hour. Okay, which reduces the starch not to make the rice preparation sticky. Okay, use this technique anytime you will be beginner. Even if it is a stick around a bit, don't bother. It will not harm your cooking. Once you add your water, it will all come out. So it's now time for me to add water. I add water. Add little bit first. Get the sides clean. Everything clean. Okay. I need little more, so add little more. Okay. I'll transfer the entire thing to the another oven. And let it cook. No need to disturb it a lot. Okay, let it go in cool cooking. Okay, cool cover cooking. It will start cooking automatically. Okay, once it is done a little bit, then we will add our tomatoes. So by the time the rice is cooked and the entire thing is cooked, tomatoes will be soft and nice and juicy. So it will end the cooking. Okay. Achha. To go with this, it is a dish of sweet, spices from garam masala, jeera, flavored of jeera. Okay, so it is a kind of preparation like this. So you need something to eat with this. So I am making a sauce salsa. Okay, it's a highly spiced tomato with chilies and garlic and all this. It will be highly nice, tangy, hot salsa to go with this. Okay, so it's time for me to add the tomatoes. Now to make the tomato salsa, what we do, we get our pan ready. Okay, let it be on So by the time we do our misa, everything will be done. This salsa, I'll cook it in mustard oil. The reason being, mustard oil will give you the pungent flavor, okay, and a taste of Bengal, because we are making a dish out of Bengal. Okay, so do this. Give a slitted chili, one red, one green, nicely done. Okay, if you like more spicy, you can put more. I think this should go well. Okay, this is done. Now we have some garlic. We have already peeled and kept the garlic. Okay, let it cook. By the time we'll get our other things done. Okay, nice tomatoes to go with this. Salsa. So I actually need a mix of both cooked and uncooked taste in it. Okay. Again, I said sauce. That means some part of it is cooked. I would prefer a little bit of burnt flavor in it. So we'll give some bit of burnt flavor. We'll use some coriander, but we'll add the coriander at the last, and we'll, okay, just bit of capsicum. You know, capsicum is the one which gives you a very sharp and good taste. Okay, now remove the dirt, very essential. I have already washed it, so no issue. In fact, in today's date, whatever I get from the market, the first priority is reversible potassium permanganate solution. So it is worth, thoroughly worth, no problem. We just need to clean the dirt because of the high heat. Now this has gone bad in a sense. Okay, so my salsa is getting cooked. Just give it a stir. Lower the flame. Okay. Cover and cook. Once you cover and cook, everything cooks very fast, so no issue is there. In this, you can add some bit of salt.
Okay, the banana stem is right here.
Okay. Now, salsa will take its own time to get cooked. In the meantime, we'll check the banana stem. Okay. You can see it's getting cooked, nicely done. Okay, just give one stir so that the rice at the bottom will come on top, and it will help in cooking evenly. Okay, no need to disturb. It is telling me, don't disturb me, let me grow up of my own. Okay, so this is what it is. We are almost on the verge of finishing the cooking. It needs a little bit of time to get all these things cooked. Okay. So in between, if you have any questions, any doubts in your mind, you can ask me. I'll try to clarify them. Okay, and in the meantime, before I forget, special thanks to my son Diptartho, who is doing the shooting for me. Okay, and he is excellently developed how to shoot cooking, food cooking and things like that. Okay, so special thanks to him.
Okay, Anu Bhala says hi. Ira Bhargavya Singhal says hi. Vatsala Soni Prabhu says hello, chef. And everybody just gives a shout out to everybody who is watching.
Okay, great. Any questions there?
None.
No?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, get into the corona days. Last 2 months we are locked. This is a new experience for me, working from home. I never thought I will be getting into this kind of situation in life, where we need to do everything from home. It's a new learning for me, and we didn't know this. In fact, so that is how it is. I take it positively. Once the lockdown goes, once the corona goes, we'll rock again, because safe cannot sleep. Okay, they always rock. Remember this, we will rock once the time comes. You can see my salsa is getting nicely done. It's not salsa, it's just my mistake, it's salsa sauce. It's getting done nicely. Okay, let it get cooked some more. Okay, in the meantime, we'll check our muri ghanto once more. It is almost on the verge of getting ready. Okay. Anyway, in these days, we did a lot of cooking at home, which never did in our lifetime. And very honest with you, we never had the privilege of taking sitting back at home for 2 continuous months. Okay, so I so enjoyed this, enjoyed the cooking session, enjoyed the students teaching and online teaching and meetings and this and that and everything. Okay, my salsa is saying that it is done. Okay, it's time for me to take it out. In this, just add bit of mustard oil, okay, and add the coriander. Because of this heat only, coriander will get cooked. I don't want my coriander to be overcooked. It's a salsa, so the rawness of the thing will come half from the tomatoes and half from the coriander. Okay, so this is how it is. My salsa is almost done. Okay, now in this you can add little bit of lemon juice. You can add, we'll add it later, no issue. Okay, so now we'll remove this in a pan. We cannot put the hot things in the mixie or grinder. I mean, it needs to be cooled down before it goes. So I put them in a bowl so that it cools down before I actually pass it through the mixie. Okay. Now most of my cooking is done. I need to get out of my area. It needs to be cleaned and get ready for your presentation. Okay, we do not only just making the food, presentation also counts me a lot. Okay, so that is how it is. To present the rice, we have picked up a small dish. Okay, it's a banana product, so I prefer to add some banana into it. Okay, banana leaf to go with it. Most of the things are ready. Now my salsa is also ready. I'll just go and grind them and come back in a second. I want my salsa to be coarsely done. Just one brew like this in the mixie. It is done. You can see this. Okay. Now it's time for me to dish it out.
Mustard oil.
It's time for me to check the taste. I know it is good, but the thing is, overconfidence is not good. Perfect, what I wanted, exactly. But the thing is, little bit of mustard oil for pungency. Okay, my salsa is done. Okay. Now let's check the thing. Mostly it is done, just needs a little bit to dry up a bit. So we'll wait for this. In the meantime, we'll add some sugar. Okay, little generous amount of sugar because this needs to be little bit of sweet in taste, sweet in nature. Okay, nice bit of garam masala. It's already giving me excellent smell of the mix of spices, the balances and things like that. So my dish is almost ready. Okay. Actually, I would have been happier if I have been given 5 minutes more time just the rice to dry up a bit. Only thing that is my weight. Otherwise, everything I'm happy with what we could able to manage and achieve. Okay, so let's see. In the meantime, if you have anything, any informations, you can share with me. Okay. We talked about sustainability, we talked about corona, we talked about hygiene, cleanliness and everything, and post these corona days, how we are going to go about it. Our chairman, Dr. Bose, developed the unique idea of eating by hand. Once you sanitize your hand, you can use your hand to eat food, which saves billions of dollars in the overall F&B industry as such. So we are going to, we are in the practice of those. Okay, we are practicing those, and this is a part of it. Okay, so I just wanted this to be a little bit more dry.
So done almost. Recap Tito.
Okay. In the meantime, how I can recap how it is done. I'll start with the cooking process. Heat Amul ghee, crackle jeera, whole garam masala, bay leaf and red chili. Okay. Okay. Once this is done, add chopped onions. Okay. Once this is done, add your blunt banana stem in turmeric salted water. Okay. Add your ginger paste. Okay. Add rice which is soaked for half an hour and dried up. Okay. Add after that, saute it a bit. Add water to cook. Add salt. Okay. Let it cook for some time. Add tomatoes. So the tomato, by the time rice is cooked, the tomatoes will become soft and nice. So what you do is, after that, cook it covered. So once your rice is done, your dish is done. We are done here. We are on the verge of taking it. So I'll just switch up the my ranges. It is done. Now in the meantime, we have given a salsa, sauce salsa to go with our rice. That is your I can tell you the heat mustard oil, green chili, garlic, tomatoes, capsicum. Okay, all cooked to burnt. Okay, then add coriander leaves and coriander roots and puree it, coarse puree it, season with salt and lemon juice. That's it. So we are there. I take a bowl. Okay. Button. Okay. Now my dish is ready. Okay. Just I garnished it with little bit of mint leaves. Okay. And the sauce or salsa to go with it. This is my thing today. Okay. Now one thing I should be saying, use your hand to eat the food. So I'll taste this through my hand. Nice. See you. Thanks, Amol. See you.